and welcome to FNN,
the Family News Network.
Today we're gonna do some baking. We're gonna make a yellow cake and a chocolate cake.
Yeah. And today, as our guest chef, we have
me, Kira.
Okay.
I'm gonna help baking because I know that.
Okay.
I'm all about the flavors.
Okay. Well,
First, we gotta heat the oven 350 degrees.
Okay, bake 350, start. After you heat the oven, you're gonna pour in your yellow cake mix.
this is her cake.
Yes, the yellow cake.
And just like what Lydia did, I'm going to pour in my brown chocolate cake mix.
Then you pour in 1 cup of water.
Just like Lydia, I'm going to pour in my cup of water.
There's a mountain. Cup of oil, vegetable oil.
For Lydia's cake. And
Yep.
for my cake, I have to do a third, not a half, of vegetable oil.
Next, you need 3 eggs.
We already poured one in. Next, you add 3 eggs for my cake. Next, we're gonna
And
stir.
then we stir.
Yes. Next, we pour.
We pour the yellow cake mix.
Next, we pour the other.
Chocolate mix.
Here's some.
Then we put both cakes in for 24 minutes.
Don't forget to set the timer.
For 24 minutes. And now we wait.
Okay, so while we're waiting for the cakes to cool down, we're making icing, and we already did.
We already bought the My Cakes icing. We bought Betty Crocker Rainbow Chip icing.
Yeah, and that's for the white cake, yellow cake.
First, we need 6 tablespoons of softened butter.
For my chocolate cake icing.
Butter.
Yeah.
Oh, it's right there.
No, it's right here. So once it is softened in the microwave, which we did, it's kind of melted.
Cheating.
Yeah. That's how it looks right now. So yeah, then we'll tell you the next thing.
Next, we pour the butter into the bowl.
Next, we then just put butter and then mix it.
Mix it up. Next, we add 2 and 1/3 of powdered
sugar.
powdered sugar.
Or confection.
Yeah, doesn't matter.
And now we are adding the milk too. How much milk?
1/3 cup milk.
1/3 cup of milk
Don't spill it.
as well. Once we've added those two, we're adding cocoa powder.
3/4 of. Next, we add 3/4 a cup of cocoa powder.
Very slowly.
Yeah, it's it has a lot of explosion power,
Even more than powdered sugar.
which is amazing.
Next, we need 2 teaspoons of and 1/4. Huh?
And 1/4.
No, just do 2 teaspoons of milk first.
Of vanilla. Carefully add it in. And there we go.
I made a mess.
There is
Like always.
2 teaspoons of vanilla salt.
Now you just have to mix until even.
Yep.
And then we mix.
wait some more.
Yes, for the cakes to cool, and then we will frost. Oh, the final product of the frosting. Now we wait some more, and there's the other frosting.
I bet this one will look good. Hi, and now we're gonna start icing.
Ice cake.
Oh, wrong way.
Okay, so we just finished icing
Yes.
the cakes.
And they look amazing.
So here's my cake, or Lydia's cake. Here, okay. Let me. Next, we need 3 eggs.
I was supposed to say that.
You didn't say it though.
I know, wait. Well, can't take that one back, but I'm gonna.
Hi, and welcome to FNN, the Family News Network.
Today we are gonna be baking 2 cakes, chocolate and yellow.
Yes. And today, as our guest chef,
Our guest chef.
is
I'm Kira. I've been baking cakes for my whole life.
No, you haven't.
No, you haven't. We are gonna restart.
Blooper.